Hey everybody, it's Crystal with CrystalsDiversiCreations. So I'm about to make a money bouquet, and I thought it would be a great time to show you some of the variations and how to fold some of the different bills that you see folded in the bouquets. So here we have the classic. This is the traditional classic fold. And then we have the Lotus. This is actually the one I think I'm going to use for my bouquet. And finally, we have the Lilly. Okay? And so I'm going to cover how to fold each of those. So, come on. Okay. So we're going to cover 3 bill folding techniques. And we'll start with the most common first. So the most common is the classic fold. First, all of these, I'll be using a 10-inch skewer. And I get the 10-inch skewers from Amazon. They come in like a pack of 6 or so, I think. And they're under $10. So you can see these are 10-inch. But you can also use the 12-inch that comes in, comes from Walmart or the Dollar Tree. You may like them that length, or you may want to cut them down a little bit. And of course, we're using magic tape, and it's best to have a tape dispenser. So all of them start basically the same by taking the crisp, like I use crisp $2 bills, $1 bills, or whatever. If you don't have them new, if you want to get them sort of crisp, I suggest you press them. So you have your $2 bill on the skewer. You put the flat part here because this is going to pierce the foam or whatever you're using to put your bouquet together. So you're going to fold it to the center like that. Okay? Then you fold it inward. Once you get it inward, you're going to look in the middle and get these 2 pieces even. Okay? So once these are even, like so in there, you have this back piece is where you're going to place your tape. So you're folding first, then make sure these 2 meet in the middle, hold them, pinch them, and put your piece of tape. And that is the most common, the classic, the traditional money fold that you'll do. I'm going to do this one twice because this is the most common that you will see. And I just want to make sure that you get it. Okay. You are placing your bill down, crisp bill. You put the stick like he's smelling it. You press down the tape, crease it a little bit so it gets around that stick well. You rub it out. That's what you do first. Then you hold it like this. You're folding it in. You bring them together. Put your hand in. Twist it towards you. Get those ends together like that. And then based on how full you want it, you may tighten it, loosen it, but you're going to put that piece of tape there. This is tighter than this one. Whichever way you decide, just try to be consistent. If you're doing them tight, if you're doing them looser, they should kind of mirror one another, okay? This, of course, will make your bouquet fuller. If you have a lot of bills and you want it tighter, you have this option. So they're just 2 different ways, same style, but it's just whether you want them tight or fuller, okay? But that's your classic bill. Next, we have the Lotus. The Lotus starts off the same. Same concept. However, when we fold, we crisscross. We take this finger here and we slide this bill over. So you see, I'm not even moving the other one yet. And you slide. And you're looking to get this V here. Okay? So once you slid it over, you just pinch it and add your piece of tape. Okay? And there you have it. That's your Lotus. And just like the other one, it can be tighter or more fuller. Open it up. Okay? And if you need to, you can always just put a small piece of tape. This piece of tape was kind of big, but it would be smaller just to keep it in a position. You might want to do that when you're first starting off, but that's your Lotus. And then the last one is the Lilly. This is a dainty flower. So you, same thing, let him smell the stick. And you press it in. This is similar to the lotus where you crisscross, but you're going to take that finger and you're going to slide it till these 2 points cover one another. Okay, so right here, when they cover each other, you stop. Okay, and then you come on to the side and you put your piece of tape. And when you look, you have your lily. Okay, and this is so pretty. So, and again, we have covered the lily. We have covered the lotus. And we've covered the classic traditional. This is the fuller one. And this is the tighter version. Okay. So again, classic, lotus, and lily. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.